Hey there, my name's Carl. I'm a mentor for the UI UX Design Bootcamp and a senior product designer. In this video series, I'll be showing my workflow for approaching each UI exercise found in the Bootcamp curriculum, specifically using Figma. Before diving in, I have two disclaimers to share with you. These videos are not official course content from the Bootcamp curriculum. All these videos should be viewed as totally optional and totally supplementary. And in addition, watching this video series will not guarantee you a job. Nothing can guarantee you a job, except working really hard, practicing your skills, putting yourself out there via networking, and getting lucky. With that said, the goal of these videos is to help you work smarter, faster, and more efficiently. We'll break down each interface design challenge from each of the 6 units in the curriculum and help you focus on mastering Figma features as well as visual design principles. If you do find any of these videos useful, please consider supporting me at buymeacoffee.com/carllee. That's buymeacoffee.com/KARLLI. Thanks. I'll see you in the next video.